How to make a Google Meet code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to make a Google Meet code. I hope for a subscribe and a like if this tutorial helped you. Now let's get started. Firstly, open Google Meet application on your device. You will see the option for new. Tap on that and then tap on the create a new meeting option. You will now be given the link for creating a new meeting. You can tap on the share button and share the Meet link with other members, or you can also copy the link by tapping on the copy button and now share the link in any social media, and this is how you can share a new meeting link. Now, in order to check the Meet code, all the characters after meet.google.com/ is your Meet code. So you can simply copy the Meet code and then tap on the search bar in Meet application and then tap on the enter a Meet code option. Now go ahead and paste the code further, and with this you have successfully created a Meet code. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.